Hi, class. Welcome. I am making this video, a nice, brief, and hopefully very efficient video as a visual example of how to open data in Stata, right? If you have issues doing this in lab, you can always just ask me for help and I'll show you how to fix it. But if you are doing this in the lab on your own, when you have to do homework on your own, this is meant to help assist you if issues arise. So the process of getting data open in Stata, that's going to be the goal of this video here. So you can see on my screen, I have my Stata program open and ready to go, but it's blank. I don't have any data in it. How do I get this going? So if we want to open data and we want to analyze it, let's go over the steps. Number one, change the working directory. That is going to specify the folder in which Stata will save things to and draw things from. In other words, we're telling Stata where the data we want to use is going to be located. And so I do that by the very first thing, File, change working directory, and then I'm going to navigate on my flash drive to the folder that I want, and that's going to be called class data. Your working directory is whatever folder on your flash drive that you have saved your data to. So I hit OK, and now my command has run. I have changed the directory. Step two, I need a do file. So I press this button right here. I guess I did that kind of quick. Let me start that over. I click this icon of the little notebook with the pencil over it where it says new do file editor. I click that and then I get this nice little text pad. That's where my commands will go. So that's step two, open the do file editor. Step three, simply executing the use command in order to open our data set. So the use command, you will remember, is in conjunction with the name of the data. Our data file is titled GSS06. So I will type use GSS06, clear, and highlight only what I want to run, and then press the execute selection button, which is on the far right in this these options that I have at the top of my do file. When I click that, I see the end of do file show up in green, so I know that everything went well. And I can then see over here on this top right portion of Stata, right, my face is right there, you can see all of my variables and variable descriptors. So I have a ton of different things, right? We didn't go through too many of these in class, but age, respondent sex, highest year of school completed, father's education, mother's education, spouse's education, highest degree obtained, that would be an ordinal measure of education, zodiac sign. Why do I have that? Well, sometimes it's nice to have something that isn't correlated with anything, and that's helpful. So that is how I get my data going. When I am done, you will remember I will save my do file, right? I'm just going to close mine out because I don't actually need it. Do I want to save changes? No, because it's just one command, but you will want to save your do file, and then you will want to exit Stata without saving your data, okay? So let me recap. Change your working directory, open a do file, open your data with the use command, and then when you are done, save your do file. And then finally, exit Stata without saving over your data. You always want a clean, unedited copy of your data. And the beautiful part of this is as long as you've saved your do file, you can run all those things you did in seconds just by reopening again. So that is how, that's how we open data. So hopefully this helps somebody down the road. Thank you. Bye.